So now you are a new homeowner, and I had the privilege of making a lot of my client buyers homeowners. You don't want to miss today's episode because today I want to be talking to you about the tax benefits of owning a home. Tune in today for Real Estate Tips episode number 4, Tax Advantages of Owning Real Estate.
I'm James Abdelmalik with Keller Williams Palace Verdes and Keller Williams Luxury International. I'm a California realtor and I love helping clients sell homes or buy homes.
I'm James Abdelmalik. I'm a California realtor and I love helping clients sell homes or buy homes. And I also love making educational videos that help all my viewers anywhere understand real estate and would give them good real estate tips that would help them in any potential transaction they may want to think of taking in real estate. Today, as promised, real estate tip number 4, episode 4, is going to be about tax advantages of owning real estate or owning a home. When you own a home, there are tax advantages you need to look out for. The most important thing, what I'm going to discuss with you today, is review those 8 advantages that I'm going to run by you with your tax preparer or your CPA, whoever is preparing your tax returns. And he will check with you if you are eligible for any of those or not, but most of them for sure you are eligible for. But consult with your tax expert. Let's dive in. First advantage of owning a home is you get to deduct your mortgage interests. That's number 1. You pay a good chunk of mortgage interest every month. Sometimes it's more than half of what you pay in mortgage. All this accumulated mortgage interest at year end is tax deductible up to a certain limit, which you can discuss with your tax expert. Number 2, all the property taxes which you paid on your home is also tax deductible. And if you're married filing jointly, it's up to $10,000. And if you are filing single, it's up to $5,000. Number 3, if this is the year you bought the home in and you paid some points in order to get a lower interest rates, that points that you paid for, which could be thousands of dollars, is also tax deductible. So that's another third advantage you can also deduct as a tax deduction. Number 4, mortgage insurance. Whenever you buy a home and you pay less than 20% down, most likely you're going to be paying something called PMI or private mortgage insurance. This is a mortgage insurance that protects the lender in case you default. The good news is you can deduct this mortgage insurance as a tax deduction. Now, these are the main deductions you can take. Another advantage you can take of is if you made home improvements. There are some certain qualified home improvements you can deduct. You're going to consult with your tax experts. What kind of home improvements can you use? For example, if you are upgrading your kitchen, that is not something that is eligible. If you're upgrading your home for something that's for medical reasons, that is a tax deductible. So discuss it with your tax expert and he will let you know if you are eligible or not. Home office expenses. If you are working from your home, you are eligible to deduct some of the expenses for maintaining the space in your home to run an office for your business. Another good advantage you can use as a tax deductible, that's if you have it, if you take a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. If you take a home equity line of credit, that interest on the home equity line of credit is also tax deductible. Again, consult with your tax expert. Finally, capital gains. Let's say you lived in your home for about 2 years, or 2 years in the last 5 years, and that was your primary residence. You are eligible for a $250,000 capital gain tax deduction. And if you're married filing jointly, you are eligible for $500,000 as long as both you and your spouse's name are on the title of the house. This is a good advantage, of course, when you own a home for 2 years and sell it. You get $500,000 tax exempt capital gain. But that's of course only when you're about to sell your home. Tune in next time. In my next episode, I will discuss a very important topic that a lot of people are asking me about: multiple offer situations. How do you win an offer when you are in a multiple offer situation to buy a house? Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook business page, James Abdul Malik Realtor. Follow me on Instagram, and if you ever want to sell a house or buy a house or invest in real estate, call me anytime on the number shown on screen. It will be my pleasure to work with you. See you in my next video. God bless.